Up to this point, we can actually see my 10 little cells. You can see there on the ask, we can actually see the 10 contracts I'm looking to sell at 0.31. Now I'm going to go ahead and cancel that order because, like I was saying earlier, I want to model good behavior. I don't want to have one trade take up 30% of my portfolio because what if another signal comes in? Now I have to go over more than 30. If I take big losses on that, it could hurt my account, right? So I'm going to go ahead and sell this position. I'm going to do this the right way. I'm going to buy back in, but I'm only going to get one contract. So you can see here also how the bid and ask are working, right? Right now it's showing 0.31, but I could actually only sell it at 0.3. I couldn't sell it at 0.31. So I have a little simple percentage calculator. It comes in handy when looking for different profit that you want to achieve or trying to figure out how much of your portfolio you should allocate. And for me to put in 5% of my total portfolio in every trade, that's going to be around $50. So just one of these contracts will do. So we go ahead and we put in our buy order, and I'm going to buy back in at one contract. But again, I'm looking at the stock, I'm looking at my current profit, and I'm like, you know what? I think I'm actually okay with like selling these at 36 cents, to be honest. You know, I don't have the sell indicator coming, but this is where I leave it up to your guys' discretion. Like, it's okay to take a 25% profit and miss out on a 35, 40, maybe even 50% profit. Again, this is an election day. This was not the best day to run this. I do expect some wild swings, but I'm okay with the return that we're going to be able to walk away from with this. So I do want to show you, and this is pretty cool. If I go ahead and I put in a sell for 36 cents, we scroll down, we can actually see my ask of my little two contracts at 36 cents. See that? So if we cancel it real quick, go back, we see that the price moves up to 36 cents, the ask at 38. So my little two contracts is actually showing us the real price, which is 35. I guarantee you I could sell these at 35 right now if I wanted to. Oh, but I didn't have to. It went up to 37 and we were able to sell our contracts at 36. Like I said, I feel content with this because I'm perfectly fine with our first win of $15. I'm perfectly fine with that. If we go into our history, we're actually able to see the status of the order that was filled. And there's our profit. We've got 2% total for the day, but we actually have a 20% return on that option from 30 to 36, or actually even more because our average was 28 to 36. Remember, I bought that second contract, so we actually sold at a 28.5% profit. Not bad, not bad at all. Like I said, I sold early before a sell signal. The sell signals are really good. I don't doubt that it could find a higher point, but you know, if we're okay with the profit that we've made, we don't always have to follow the sell signal exactly. We can use our own little metrics of risk reward. We could say, hey, I'm perfectly fine with having a 28% gain on this play. This was a good day for me, right?